Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. We're gonna head inside and check out all the deals this week in Walgreens. There's a sweet moneymaker on Revlon again, and super cheap deodorant. So those are the two that I'm definitely grabbing, but there are others that you might wanna grab, and a huge deal on diapers. So if you're in diaper land, you wanna keep watching for sure. So let's head in and check it all out. This is definitely the deal to use your Revlon on this week. Remember, all the Revlon coupons are going to expire this coming Saturday, so this is your last chance to use them. This week in Walgreens, when you buy $10 worth of Revlon, you're gonna get back a $10 reward. Okay, this is not a hard decision, guys. If you have the $5 face or the buy one get one eye and lip, and I said that wrong in the CVS video, just kind of forgetting that it was eye and lip only, this makes for money makers. So a couple of ideas here. You could grab any of the foundations, Candid, any of these guys. Use the $5 off. Most of them are $11.99. You're gonna pay $6.99 after the $5 coupon and get back a $10 reward. That's a moneymaker. So pick whichever one you want. Doesn't matter, it's gonna be a moneymaker. You can go eye if you want, buy one, get one on eye. This is $8.49. Use the buy one, get one. You're gonna pay $8.49. You're gonna get back the $10 reward because you're buying two of them. So grab either way you wanna go, buy one, get one, or the $5 off, and stock up on Revlon. Now, two things to note. If you got the $10 register reward from the previous week, you cannot use it on this deal. The new reward is the same exact value for the same exact brand, and it will not print another $10 register reward. This is usually the case with all register reward deals. You never want to use a same value reward for the same brand. So don't try to roll last week's reward to pay for this week. And then don't also try to use the reward you're going to get to buy more Revlon. No, just get more rewards if you want, but do not pay with the register reward that you get to buy more Revlon deals. You won't get another reward, and you won't be very happy. That's just one of the quirks of Walgreens. Really, it's their way of trying to make everything a limit of one. So you just need to watch those rules, and you're gonna do great with this deal. If you've got that $4 Gillette coupon still hanging around from 2 Sundays ago or 3 Sundays ago now, this is a good week to use it. They have Gillette razors on sale for $7.99. Use your $4 coupon, you're gonna pay $3.99, and you're gonna get back a $3 register reward. Pretty sweet deal. So don't miss this one. It makes for a very inexpensive razor. In some areas, folks have said that the Mach 3 is beeping on that $4 off. So if you have issues with that in your store, your cashier is not going to push the coupon through. They will not take a coupon that beeps. So, you know, go in and be willing to try it. The Gillette 3 is also part of the deal. Really, the only exclusions on that coupon are no trial and travel and no Venus. So you should be good to use it, and should be great to get a 99-cent razor. You want some really inexpensive deodorant? You can grab ladies speed stick or men's speed stick deodorant for like 15 cents a piece this week. They're on sale, buy one get one. In my store, they're $3.19 a piece. So buy one get one half off. Sorry, that's important. Buy one get one half off at $3.19. Plus, when you buy 2 of them, you're going to get back 3,000 balance rewards. That's equal to $3. So right there, one of them is $3. They're giving you back almost the full value of one of them. And we've got coupons. So scan the barcode with your Walgreens app, and you are going to get a $1 off coupon. That is a Walgreens digital coupon for ladies speed stick or men's speed stick. And then we also have a 50-cent printable. So in the end, the 50% off, let's just go there first. It's $1.59. So you're gonna buy one for $3.19, one for $1.59. So easy math to kind of round up a little bit there. You're basically paying $4.80 for both of them. Use $1.50 with the $1 digital and the 50-cent printable, and then get back $3 in rewards. Guys, in the end, you owe 29 cents. We rounded up for 2 of these. So great price. Even if you hate this brand, donate it. This is a great price. So grab this one, definitely add it to your list this week and donate it, or keep it, whichever one you want, but don't miss the deal. There is a crazy good deal on Pampers this week in Walgreens. So they're on sale 2 for $18. Plus, when you buy $20 worth of participating P&G items, you're gonna get back 5,000 balance reward points. That's equal to $5. Throw in the coupons. So that $20 requirement is really before coupons. Now, there's also a couple of other things that you can stack in. there is an ongoing Savings Star offer for $15 back when you buy $50 worth of P&G products. Pampers is included. So I would recommend this. If you need diapers, you probably really need diapers. So let's go big and let's grab 6 packs of Pampers. That's really doing this deal 3 times, and you will earn, doing the deal twice, you'll earn 10,000 points back for doing that. So you're gonna grab 6 packs of diapers at 2 for 18 bucks. It's gonna come out to $54 worth of diapers. Perfect for the Savings Star offer. So now you're getting back 10,000 points, $15 from Savings Star, and then we're gonna stack on all of the coupons. So our P&G inserts from Sunday had new coupons for Pampers and for Easy Ups. Easy Ups are also included in this sale, so if you need training pants, you can do that too. We've got $2 coupons for training pants, $1.50 coupons for diapers from the P&G insert on 10/27. Plus we've got Walgreens digital coupons. So again, guys, my go-to here, always just grabbing the pack and scanning the barcode with the Walgreens app. It's gonna automatically load all of the digital coupons that go for that product. So couldn't be any easier. So scan the barcode, load all the digitals if you want, use the inserts, however you want to work this. 6 packs between diapers and pull-ups, or the Easy Ups, go with the right brand. And again, you're gonna load your Savings Star offer, so you're gonna get $15 back from Savings Star on the deal. You're gonna get 10,000 balance rewards on the deal after the coupons, after the Savings Star, after the rewards. You're gonna end up paying about $3.16 a pack. That's awesome. Not only for Pampers, but for diapers in general. So stock up if you need it. We have not seen Pampers that low in a long time, and it's a very good deal for anyone that is in diaper land. If you need detergent, we've got a couple of deals between both drugstores this week. All is buy one, get one over in CVS. Purex is buy one, get one, and Snuggle products are buy one, get one here in Walgreens. Now, the difference between the two stores, in Walgreens with a buy one, get one deal, you cannot use a coupon on the one that is free. So you can grab 2 Purexes if you want and use 1 coupon. Over in CVS, you can use a coupon on the one that is free. However, that all deal gets us stuck because the coupon is a limit of 1. So you don't have a lot of options there. Either way, in both stores, you're gonna end up paying about $2.50 for a bottle of Purex in Walgreens or a bottle of all in CVS, or go Snuggle if you want Snuggle and fabric softener. So it comes out to be about the same price and a great price. You could also go Tide. Tide is part of the deal that goes along with the diapers. So this is buy $20 worth and get 5,000 points back. Mix and match here, use coupons here. We've got $2 off coupons. You could get this super low. One option for you, and I have this on the Walgreens list, so if you go to southernsavers.com/Walgreens, you'll see it. But if you grab 2 things of Tide and 3 bottles of Pantene, use digital coupons for every single one of those. So you could grab a liquid Tide, a Tide Pods, use Walgreens digitals for those. Grab 3 Pantenes, use Walgreens digital off of that. You're gonna end up paying $1.60 for each item. So $1.60 for each Pantene, $1.60 for each thing of Tide. Not a bad price, and technically comes out to be cheaper than the Purex and the All. So it is an option. Keep in mind, this is the same exact deal as the Pampers, so you could work this in with diapers if you wanted to as well. I can't really tell you how often I've purchased alcohol in a drugstore. It's pretty rare, actually. But this week you can get a really good deal on Yellowtail wine. It is on sale for $4.99. It's just $1 off, but we're still talking pretty cheap here. So $4.99, and we have an Ibotta offer. So again, scan the barcode with your Ibotta app, and you're gonna get $1 back when you purchase this in the store. So it's gonna make it $3.99. If you aren't a Walgreens shopper, you could also head to Buy Low or Winn-Dixie and get the same price, $3.99 a bottle after that Ibotta offer, but makes for a really good price if you're just wanting a cheap bottle of wine. If you haven't used your Walgreens digital coupon off of DiGiorno Pizza, you've got another chance to do it. This week, DiGiorno Pizza is on sale, buy one, get one. In my store, they're buy one, get one at $7.49, which I know seems high, but guys, do the math on that because it's really gonna come out to $3.75 basically a pizza. That's just with the sale. That's not bad. But we've got a coupon. We have a coupon for $3 off of 2 DiGiorno pizzas. Now remember, with a buy one, get one sale in Walgreens, I cannot use a coupon on the one that's free. So if you want to use your 3 off 2 coupon, you're going to need to buy 4 DiGiorno pizzas at $7.49 a buy one get one. So that's basically $15 worth of pizza minus your $3 digital coupon. You're going to end up paying $12 for all 4 pizzas. Not bad. It's $3 a pizza after the coupon. So load up if you want a pretty good price on DiGiorno. It's definitely the cheapest you're going to find on frozen pizza this week anywhere in town. If you need any last minute candy, all of the fun size bags in Walgreens are buy one get one this week. So pick your favorites or pick the ones that aren't your favorites so you're not tempted to eat them. We do have some coupons, so check the database on Southern Savers because there's a coupon for Snickers and other Mars products. Also scan your Walgreens app. Make sure there aren't any digitals that you could also pair in here. They are buy one get one, so again, you can't use a coupon on the one that's free, but you can stock up and get a pretty good price on candy this week. So in my store, they're buy one get one at $4.99, which would make them $2.49 a bag, just so you've got a price point. We've also done a long list of all of the deals on candy around town, and I'll put a link to that right now in the video, so hopefully if you need it, you can pop over and see those deals. It's not necessary that this is the best one, just telling you that it's here. If you need candy, buy one get one isn't a bad deal. So if you've got to stock up, this deal ends Thursday night, so don't wait. So one last deal before we head out. All of these things behind me, these funky decorations and whatnot that you might need for Thursday night, you want to head back in come Friday and Saturday because they're going to hit clearance, and they're going to hit clearance fast. They want to put out Christmas, and Christmas is in the new ad that starts next week. So it's not a deal as I'm filming this, but it will be a deal by the end of the week, so I don't want you to miss it. So there you guys have it. There's a lot that I would grab this week. Big money makers on Revlon, good prices on razors, super cheap deodorant. Remember, head to southernsavers.com/Walgreens and you can see all of the deals and all of the coupons that you need. Make a shopping list and head to the store. My goal is to make this as simple and as easy as possible for you guys. If you're just getting started, start small. Don't go in and go crazy on a bunch of deals because it's probably not going to work the way that you want it to. So grab one deal, get your reward, use it, and grab another one deal and go home. But don't overwhelm yourself with a bunch of things in the store. So keep it small, keep it simple, but definitely get started because you're missing out on some of the cheapest household and personal care deals in town if you aren't shopping in a drugstore.